Alright, you guys, I'm gonna be making snack. This is what I hate about wearing glasses, because you can see the little ring light. Anyways, I'm gonna be making snack plates for my family. Let me take these out. Okay. So first, I'm gonna start off with some grapes. Actually, I'll probably make Roman's separate in a different video, maybe, because he won't eat a lot of this stuff. These grapes look awesome. Look at them. Alright, so here are the grapes. Alright, now I have some slices of Cabot Farmhouse Reserve cheese, I think it's called. So, whoops. Alright, now I got these cheese crispers, which I only got them because I had a coupon for them, to be honest. But maybe they'll be good, you never know. My husband's laughing at me. He's going to feed the birds. I don't got it in me today. Pickles.
Yes!
Alright, I did it myself. Put it that way. Now I have these like Schneider's twisted seasoned pretzels, I guess. And now I am putting these with it. They're honestly not that good, if I'm being honest. They're Annie's organic snack bars. They're supposed to be like Rice Krispies. They are not, but I bought them, so we're gonna use them. So let me show you a close-up of the plate. I'm making you one too, Roman. And he runs away.